Drummers, musicians, YouTubers, drum teacher Tim Connolly is here with you today, and we're doing an unboxing of sorts. I did take the liberty of already taking the drum out of the box because it can be sometimes cumbersome with a 22-inch bass. So what we have here today is the Yamaha Stage Custom 22-inch bass. Now, right here to my right, this drum kit here, which you can sort of see, this is a Yamaha Stage Custom kit. And actually it's Stage Custom all Birch kit. I should mention that it's an all Birch kit. And basically I bought this as an 18-inch bass. Floor tom was a 14 and a 12-inch tom. Since then I added an 8-inch tom, a 10-inch tom, and now I'm adding this 22-inch bass. Now, I've got options here. I can use the 22 and 18 as a double bass setup. Not unusual, not unheard of to have two different size bass drums. Or I can swap the 18 out for the 22 or vice versa, depending on what I need to do musically. So let's take a look at this drum anyways. So it's, like I said, it's made out of birch. I really love these drums, and I thought, you know what? Rather than buying a whole new drum kit because I wanted a 22-inch bass, why don't I just get an add-on 22 as opposed to having to buy a whole new kit? And that's exactly what I did. It turned out to be an excellent decision, and I'm really quite happy with that decision. We're gonna, of course, hear the quality of the drum a little bit later. These drums sound great, so I know that this drum will sound great too. It's just a matter of tuning it up. Now, I got the cherry finish, which I really, really love. It's a beautiful finish. I'll bring it up a little bit closer to the camera. As you can see, it's a really beautiful finish. The wood on the inside is beautiful birch on the inside. It's a wrap, obviously, cherry wrap. But it's really, really nice. I love this color. And we got all the attachments here, which I'm going to put together very shortly. And then, of course, we got the two hoops and the bass drum heads. The only thing I happen to notice that I'm not too thrilled about is this bass drum head, the 18-inch, is white. This one's, the 22, black. Now that's okay. I can still make it work. That's fine. Comes with, of course, the resonant and batter head, or sorry, batter and resonant head. And we're going to put this together here. And as far as what I'm going to put inside of it, I've got a small pillow that I'm going to put inside of it. The pillow seems to work best for me in what I'm doing. I was trying to find a really small actual drum pillow. It's made by DW. I couldn't find it, so I'm just going to use a regular pillow. That's what I have in my other kits, and it all works. So let's put this bad boy together. See ya. So let's put this bad boy together, and I'll let you see what it looks like in the end. And then, of course, after I tune it up a little bit, we will test it out. Okay, so now we have the finished product. I haven't tuned it or anything. Almost forgot the pillow. And then it's, dang, I gotta take the head off and do it all over again. But no, luckily I remembered. Now you gotta watch these spikes here when you're putting the legs down. This looks like a beautiful drum though. I actually really like the black head, even though I was minorly complaining about it earlier. It's actually really great. The black head, I really like the look of it. I'm just going to adjust these leg heights a little bit Just a little bit. I don't want to damage my floor here, of course. Never put these on floor, kids. It can be very dangerous to your floor. All right, I'm almost done fixing this up. I'll balance it shortly, but that is the drum. And really looks great. So here's what it looks like on the inside. Pillow sitting nice and flat against the head. So the next step is I'm going to tune it up and we'll see what it sounds like. All right, let's do that. Let's tune it up and see what it sounds like. See you shortly. Okay, so here we are. I decided to just go with the 22 on its own to start off and just see what it sounds like. So let's check this bass drum out and see if we can get some decent sounds out of it. As you know from the previous part of the video, the pillow is in it. I've tuned it up slightly. We'll have to work with this sound. This is completely raw, no mics, no nothing, just raw sound. I am gonna demonstrate some playing with the Yamaha EAD 10 attached to it so that it's mic'd up and we'll hear what it sounds like, but very little effects. All right, so this is completely raw, no mics, no nothing, camera, audio only. So this is just to get a raw feeling of what the drum sounds like. Not too bad. I gotta fix it up a little bit tuning wise, but overall I'm pretty happy with it. It feels pretty decent. Like I said, I just gotta fine tune the tuning. Let's hear what it sounds like with proper miking. Okay, so that is the Yamaha Stage Custom Birch Bass Drum Edition. I'll do another video when I bring my 18-inch over, and let's see what the two of them sound like against each other. One with big sound, and the other one not as big, but still really cool. I actually really like that bass drum. So my conclusion for this bass drum is it's got a lot of bottom end, it's got a lot of oomph, still got to tune it up a little bit better, but I really like the drum. It feels good. I'm using stock heads, and it sounds pretty good with a pillow in it. Not too bad. So thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe, comment, let me know what you think about this drum kit. I highly recommend the Stage Custom kit because it is pretty affordable. It's not ridiculously expensive, and you get some great drums. So you can't go wrong with this kit. Now just be aware, I was using a DW snare. I'm actually going to do a video on this snare because it's the 45th anniversary snare and it's really special. But that's a separate video. All right, thank you very much. Take care, keep drumming, see ya.